it's Claire. I do hope you're well. Today we are going to make a pearl bracelet and I'm going to use a toggle fastener. I haven't yet shown you how to use one of those, so let's get to it. So we've got our toggle clasps and these come in lots of different designs. These are printed on both sides. I call these bar. I'm going to use this one today. We also have 2 crimp bead covers, 2 5mm jump rings, pearl beads and some tiger tail, and I've just got my pliers and cutters. So I'm just going to measure 12 inches. Just cut that off. First of all, I'm going to take a 5mm jump ring. And just open, attach the clasp, and then close. So that's what it looks like. We then take our tiger tail and then we thread a crimp bead. So what we do, we put our crimp bead on, we thread the jump ring through, thread it back through, there we are, and then just pull it down. So it's then looking like this. Then we are going to take our pliers and we're going to crimp the end together. I'm just going to bring it slightly down because I want to put a crimp bead cover on. We now take a crimp bead cover, which is like a C, and this goes around the crimp bead. It can be a bit fiddly. If you've got a bead with a large hole, that's ready to go. Just close that. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So this is what it looks like. So we're now going to just thread our pearls on. So yes, I'm off to a birthday party and it's a magic show. Let's hope they don't pull me up and want to cut me in half. So I wanted to make a bracelet with large pearls. These are actually acrylic. I could have used elastic, but I just thought I'd show you how to attach a toggle clasp as a fastener. So measure your wrist first of all. I have large wrists, so you won't need so many beads. If you have smaller wrists, alright, I'm just gonna, what we need to do is thread the bead like that over, and then we're going to snip that extra piece off. There we go. just going to try this. Too many beads. Let's try it now. I think I'll just put one more on actually. So that's what it's looking like. So we have our toggle, jump ring, crimp bead cover, pearl beads. We are now going to attach another crimp bead. Take our jump ring. If you've got strong jump rings, they would be better. Make it more secure. So there we have, I call this a bar with a jump ring. And we're going to thread the jump ring through the tiger tail. So that's what we're left with. Then we are going to, just like before, thread over the top and then down. Keep pulling. Can you see what I have so far? I'm trying to show you. So we still need to pull some down. So keep pulling. Obviously you need to leave enough for you to put the crimp bead on. So pull a little bit more, but what I also want to do is thread back through a couple of beads. Right, we'll just pull that. Okay, so we've gone through 2 beads. We just need to, oh, the crimp bead's gone inside, but that's okay, it'll easily come back out again. There it is. So we just pull like that and make sure we leave enough room for us to crimp and put the crimp bead on. So I'm just going to squeeze the crimp bead, and I'm going to cut the excess off of here. And then I'm going to attach the crimp bead cover and then close. It can be fiddly. If you have got a large whole bead, then I would use that. I'm just going to do these pliers instead. There we go. So we've got this end. Oh, the sun's come out. Just there's that lined. So we have this end here, and we have this end here. So if I just put it on, you could see what it looks like. So there we have pearl bracelet, and there I'm hoping you can see That's how it fits. So that's how to use a toggle clasp. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.